Friday morning, February 8th, Lake Erie. Water's extremely low again. Northeast wind. Big nor'easter storm about to hit. It just started right now. Supposed to get over a foot of snow here. We're in Poverty Bay, Point Abino. Used to be a boat ramp. No water left. All the geese are up in here. It's protected. They'll ride it out right there probably. Buffalo Yacht Club, that's out of the water also. Got to get some of this water back. I don't know what's happening, but it's not looking good. Anyways, it's about to snow pretty good. The wind's kicking hard. FishingNiagara.com. Check it out. Good luck. Go fishing.